Ever thought of turning your parked car into a potential cash cow? Hi, my name is Cece and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready? Yeah! Hit it! Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. Today, we're diving in deep into how entrepreneurs are making money using Turo. So buckle up because it's going to be a smooth ride. Today, I'm going to speak about Turo. Think of Turo as an Airbnb, but for cars. Here's how you can cash in. First, make sure you do your research and understand the market. Check the types of vehicles that are in demand in your area. Look at the pricing of similar vehicles to yours to ensure competitive pricing. Start with a suitable car, and if you don't already have a car you want to list, consider purchasing one that has a good balance between demand, rental price, and maintenance costs. Some people invest in specific vehicles just for Turo because they have a high rental demand. Now it's time to list. Start by creating a listing. Clean your car. Take some snazzy, high-quality photos from multiple angles. Write a clear and detailed description highlighting any special features or benefits. Be honest about any imperfections to set accurate expectations. Set your price, availability, and some rules for your vehicle. Maintain your vehicle. Regular maintenance ensures your car is safe and reduces the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns. A clean and well-maintained car can earn better reviews, leading to more rentals. Getting booked. Once listed, travelers can book your car. You get notified and the magic begins. Offer extras. Consider offering add-ons like a child seat, GPS devices, or even picnic equipment for an additional fee. Some hosts offer airport delivery or other convenient picked up and drop-off locations. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries and requests. Be flexible with pickup and drop-off times when possible. A personal touch, like a small thank you note or bottle of water, can make a difference. Manage your calendar. Keep your availability calendar updated to avoid double bookings or last-minute cancellations. Consider adjusting your prices for peak seasons or events in your area. Maybe that big concert coming to your town. Meeting and handoff. Decide if you want to deliver your car or have the renter pick it up. Quick handoff and off they go. Encourage reviews. After each rental, kindly ask your renters to leave a review. Positive reviews can really boost how often your car gets booked. Diversify your fleet. If you find success with one car, consider adding more vehicles to your Turo profile. Different types of cars can cater to different audiences. Earning money. Payments are made via direct deposit. The longer you rent out, the more you earn. Ching ching! And don't stress about safety. Turo offers insurance and 24/7 support to ensure both your car and peace of mind are well taken care of. Remember to account for expenses like maintenance, cleaning, insurance, and Turo's commission when calculating your potential earnings. Now it's time to promote your listing. Share your Turo listing on your social media among friends or in a local group. to increase visibility. So for all the entrepreneurs out there, your car could be your next business venture. With Turo, the road towards your wealth is paved in gold. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.